Welcome back to Cooking with Roxy. If you're new here, I am Roxy and I'm so happy you're here. Welcome. Today's mouth-watering recipe is honey glazed salmon with garlic mashed potatoes and asparagus. Let's get started. So here I have 2 teaspoons Old Bay, black pepper, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, which is optional, and 2 teaspoons garlic powder. And for the sauce, I have honey, red pepper flakes, chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. The ginger is optional. Soy sauce, brown sugar, lemon, olive oil, butter, and some cornstarch. So we're going to blend all these ingredients together. I have already washed and pat dry my salmon, so I'm just going to add some oil to it. Adding oil before seasoning helps the spices and herbs adhere to the meat, so it prevents it from falling off during cooking. So here I'm just going to sprinkle my seasoning. I'm going to add it on both sides. So here I'm using a base brush just to brush in the seasoning, but you could just use your hands, whichever you feel comfortable doing. So here I'm flipping it on the other side, so we could go ahead and apply the season. So after I'm done rubbing my meat seasoning, I let it sit and marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so now it's ready. Let's go ahead and start frying this salmon. So to a skillet, add some oil. Please make sure the oil is well hot. Place your meat in. And we're going to fry on both sides for about 10 minutes. I'm using a non-stick skillet, so it's easy for me to monitor the meat and knowing that it's not going to be burnt. After about 8 minutes, I'm ready to flip to the next side. I like my salmon well done, so I'll let it sit and fry for another about 2 minutes, and then we'll be done. Remove it from the skillet. Beautiful golden brown texture. Let's get ready to make our sauce. You can use the same oil that you fried the salmon in before, but I went ahead and cleaned my pot and I'm starting fresh again. So I'm adding the butter and I'm letting it melt. Now go ahead and add your chopped onions, your garlic, and the ginger, and mix thoroughly. Let's just saute that for a few minutes. Let it release its flavor in the oil. Now add the honey and mix. Now add the brown sugar. Now I add in the soy sauce and the lemon juice. So now mix all mixture together for about 2 minutes. Then now you release the pepper flakes. Now stir your mixture around to avoid sticking to the pan. So remember, we have the honey in there, and the honey is easily sticks. Now add the cornstarch. So we're letting our sauce simmer down and it becomes to a thick consistency. Go ahead and mix your sauce. And then we'll be adding our salmon just in a few minutes. There you go. Juicy salmon. Ooh, I can just smell this flavor. It smells absolutely wonderful. So we're just going to cover the salmon in this beautiful, tangy, sweet flavor sauce. Just go ahead and pour it all over. Let it soak up all its juicy flavor. So guys, here you have it. I topped it off with this garlic mashed potato and some asparagus. And as always, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you all. Bye.